Hi, my name is Paul Curzon. I'm the Network Media Product Manager at AMX, and I'm really excited to tell you about Enzo today. So at AMX, one of the things that we hear time and time again from our customers is how much time they lose at the start of a meeting just getting their content up on the screen. And if you sit in meetings all day, that time adds up throughout the day. So we built Enzo, which is a purpose-built meeting presentation system that's really designed to speed up and simplify the time it takes to get your content on screen. So today I'm going to give you a really quick overview. So when you walk into the room, you basically just start a new session, and we have an activity-centric user interface. So there's a handful of things that you want to do in a meeting, such as presenting documents or sharing content from the web. So in terms of sharing documents, you can select documents. You can access your documents from Dropbox. You can access your documents from a website, so it could be a document sharing service that has a web user interface, or you can bring a USB stick into the room and plug it into Enzo. We also included the ability to access different web-based content by building in a full tabbed HTML5 web browser. So whether you're visiting a website for a meeting or you're visiting one of those document sharing services, you can do that directly from here. The third thing that we built in is access to web applications. So a lot of enterprises are using more and more web applications. Centralized software with a web user interface. This could be webmail, a CRM system, a bug tracking system, and things like that. And so this is a user-definable list of web applications, and when you select one, we bring up a full-screen web view where you can interact with that web application. And then the last piece is control. So if you're in a huddle space or a small meeting room and you don't have budget with a touch panel or a keypad, you can integrate Enzo in with an AMX control system and use the screen on the wall as a touch panel, if you will, to control your environment. And when your meeting concludes, all you have to do is exit session, and when you exit session, there's three things we do. We break your link to Dropbox, we delete any downloaded content, and we erase your browsing history. So from a security standpoint, you have basically a clean Enzo device. And if you'd like to learn more about Enzo, please visit us at www.amx.com.